99% of people fail to make money online because they are not willing to make this one simple thing. A lot of people here talk about how they're so successful, but they leave out how they got there. That secret sauce is that they were willing to fail. They were willing not to make money right off the bat. And that's something I've learned a lot about, as I've been doing this for a long time. If you're willing to be really bad at something for 90 days, then you're going to be better at most things than most people. Seriously, the bar for excellence is very, very low. Most people give up within the first couple of weeks of starting an online business because they want instant gratification and instant money flowing into their bank accounts. And for me, it took almost 2 months to see my first sale actually come in. Then, even after that, it took a couple of months for it to turn into substantial income. My point is, if you are not patient and you're not working hard, then don't expect money to start falling from the sky. But if you do work hard and you're patient, and you're willing to not be very good at something for more than 90 days, then you're going to be more successful than most people out there. So start the online business, but stick to it. So seriously, if I can do it, anybody can.